Hi everybody, this is my makeup artist Ivana.
Hi.
We're going to show you a tutorial of how she did this. And then also the second question is always, what does she do to your lips? Like what colors is she using? So we're going to show you that part too.
So we're gonna contour our eyes first. And I'm gonna use one of my favorites, which is like
Almost
dead,
gone.
You know?
She uses this so much and she told me this is like the last of it for her, right?
It's actually a foundation stick. And the shade is 510. So yeah, we're gonna use that as a contour.
What did you use on the base of my eyes already?
It's a concealer. So I use that, and then I'm gonna just build the contour around the eyes with this. So I'm applying it on the lid first, and then blending it out in the crease. I'm just leaving like this part above the brow clean.
Mm-hmm. Up close, this is what it looks like after she does the bronzing contour stick, or it's a foundation stick actually.
So I'm gonna take the same thing with different brush. This one is like more precise. Putting it under the eye first, and then cleaning it a bit on my hand because I don't want it to be like too much. So I'm just going with a clean brush and blending it in. It's easy for me because that way I can really see where I want to go.
So you're saying like this is almost like a stencil, like
Yeah,
it's like
yeah,
setting
it's a
that tone.
stencil.
I love it.
Oh,
Is
yeah,
that the
baby.
eyeliners?
Yeah.
Ooh, I love it.
Because I love all of them, so we're gonna like use them and combine them to create this look.
Okay.
The first one is the black one, is the YSL actually. You see how much I love it.
Yeah.
It's so creamy and it's good to blend. I like combine it with Lancome. The shade is 10. It's like a
Lancome?
burgundy. Yeah.
Oh, it's like a burgundy.
And this is Pupa.
Okay.
Pupa Milano.
Pupa Milano.
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, I love that so much.
Yeah, it seems like a metallic burgundy.
Yeah, metallic. It has like some shimmer in it.
Okay.
And it's 07. Yeah. I'm gonna put some of this into the lash line.
Which one is that one?
It's the YSL one, the black one.
Okay, so we're starting with the black.
And I'm kind of blending it in with the Pupa 07.
The metallic one.
Yeah. I'm kind of blending it in here. And I love this one in the waterline.
Yeah?
And it stays long, so.
Okay.
And I'm just applying it all over the waterline.
So the full waterline.
Yeah.
That is pretty.
Mm-hmm. This burgundy one is like the strongest with color, you see?
Mm-hmm.
It's like more red burgundish.
This just looked like, almost like it blends into the
Yeah.
black. That's so interesting.
Mm-hmm. And then I'm applying it on top. Yes. Mixing all together.
Yeah. So that's all just for the waterline, basically, or the lash line and the waterline.
Now, after we finish this, I can take the brush and blend it all out. I use the brush, and then I take the pencil with the brush, and that way I blend this. So look up, it's more precise.
What kind of brush is it?
It's actually, I think,
to the hand.
yeah. You see, it's a bit precise, but it's a blending brush.
Like, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's actually a brand from Serbia, and that is my colleague, and she really has great brushes.
What's your colleague's name?
Sophia. It's Sophie's Choice. Like
Selfish Choice. Oh, so Sophie's Choice?
Sophie's Choice.
I thought you said Selfish Choice. I was like, yeah.
You may see that I kind of created this wing here a bit. I started like, blending it in the way that I want it to go.
Where the contour went.
Yeah.
Okay.
And just sketching it. So now we're gonna use some blush as an eyeshadow so I can match the blush with the eye. So with the same brush, I'm taking, this is a Kylie, it's Winter Kiss. It's washed here, but it's Winter Kiss shade. Look up. And I'm just gonna apply it under the eye pencil. And I'm gonna use this, this is Dior. It's like pinkish shades. So I'm gonna use the darkest one.
That seems like, is it burgundy brown?
It's kind of burgundy. Yeah.
Okay.
And just tapping a bit here. So I'm going over the pencil. So now we're gonna put the pencil in the upper waterline.
This is the burgundy one.
Yeah, the burgundy one. And I'm gonna blend it in. And that way I'm gonna start creating a shape of the eye. And now I'm following this shape that I created and adding a bit more depth to it. Like that. Okay. And I'm starting with this dark shade. And I'm creating a shape now and just blending it in here in the crease and at the outer part of the eye. See the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I'm also gonna use Dior now. This is the Backstage collection, but I love this shade so much.
Where are you putting it?
I'm putting it here on the inner corner. Yeah. Just a bit.
It changes the tone of it. Yeah. That is so crazy to see.
I'm gonna take this like pinky shade and a bit of this shade. So I'm gonna just tap it on the center of the lid. Even though we're like doing a smoky eye now, like you don't need much. Smoky eye. I'm going back on the YSL pencil, the black one that we used, and I'm just gonna put it into the lash line, just at the corners. Yeah, here.
Why is that?
I wanted a bit more depth at the ends and to create a bit more like foxy eye here. Some party.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Now I have these eyeshadow like individuals. Put a bit of this brown shade and then a little bit of the black one. I'm blending it above the black one. Not in the black one, just above.
Oh, like as an actual shadow.
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna put it like on the. Oh, you're using like a little brush too.
Yeah. This is the black one. I'm putting this black one on the stencil that I created with the pencil. And with the bigger brush, I just blend this outer part. After we finish the eyes, I'm just gonna clean this part a bit. And I did it on this eye already, so you can see how like clean and sharp it is. And here, I'm gonna do the same. I just press, this is Huda Beauty Banana Bread, I think, yeah. And just pressing it in. We're gonna do the mascara. I'm gonna go with the longest one, like the number is 12, and then I'm gonna do 10 and then 8, so we're gonna see how it looks like on the eye.
Okay, and look how it looks with the mascara, by the way.
Put one in the corner, open. Now we're gonna use some Ardell, which is the brand for the
like the really individual ones now.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're just gonna fill in?
Just a little bit to connect the lashes that we put on and your natural lash. Open. So we have an outfit. Yeah. And now we're gonna do the lips. I'm starting with Charlotte Tilbury. The shade is Love Trap, and I'm gonna apply it on Susan's lips. I'm starting in the middle here, just creating a little, you see, shape here.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, here, and connecting it. Okay, now we're gonna use YSL 201 shade. Yeah, it's Love Shine collection. And we're gonna apply it on the center of the lips and just blend it in. Of that, I'm gonna use some Fenty, and this is Hot Chocolate shade. So just a little bit to add a little bit of shine.
Right to the center?
Yeah. Just that.
It makes the lips look bigger in the center.
Yeah. Perfect. Love it.
You know what I like the most about this, besides the way it like lifts my eyes up, is that it changes the tone of my eyes. I feel like my brown, the brown of my eyes looks a little bit lighter.
Yeah, it looks more like hazel green, you know? It looks good.
Thank you.